Hey, how you doing? My name's Charlie and I'm from Full Blast Awesome. We're a team of developers, former deck builders, and former contractors that actually built software for deck builders and contractors and other industries. Now, today I'm going to go ahead and show something specific for deck builders. We're going to go ahead and talk about this new tool that we've got called Deckstimate. This is a system that can allow you to do an estimate for your customers and manage your business in just one spot, and you can make an estimate within 5 minutes flat. So to do this, you can go to our website here on fullblastawesome.com, and we have this thing where you can either select your industry or you can go ahead and go directly to the section for deck builders. And so we're going to click on this right here where it says use free Deckstimate. Just going to click on that right here. It's going to pop up to our little app for Deckstimate. Now you can use this as many times as you want. This is a free tool. It's got unlimited use on here. You will get a little bit of welcome emails and stuff like that, like after you use this on here. But you can get a quick, easy, accurate estimate for your customers right here, without all the paperwork, without like lots of time, like all that kind of stuff. And you can also keep it digitally on your computer, so you don't got to go hunting for those old school papers like the old carbon copies from back in the day. And so I'm just going to show you how to do it on here. You come in here first and you fill out your name. So we're just going to say Ted. We're going to go ahead and say Smith. There we go. We're going to put in a random phone number. Obviously, you put in your phone number here if you go ahead and come in and do this for real. We're going to say Ted at estimator.com, something like that. And you can put in your company name on here if you want to go ahead and put your company for the customer to remember, your company website, all that good stuff. These are optional fields, so you can just leave them blank if you want to. We're going to put in Gene. We're going to put in customer telephone number. So 734, we'll do 444-4444. We put in customer email, Gene at ineedanestimate.com. Customer address, we'll just say 123 Deck Lane. We'll say Detroit, Michigan, 48864. I don't know where that zip code is, to be honest. But we're going to go down, and here's where you put in all your project specs on here to go ahead and give an overall. This has general average rates, so this is going to give you a ballpark estimate, by the way. If you want to do something with your company's exact rates and you want to go ahead and do this better, we do have like a branded version on here that we can go ahead and put all that in. I'll explain that at the end of the video. So for now, though, we're going to put in 20, we're going to put in 30, we're going to go ahead and put in a mid-size height for the deck. Let's say track enhanced, beam type, let's go ahead and say steel for now. Choice spacing 16. You can put these in based on how you want to do your actual decks on here. I'm just going to go ahead and show you how this thing calculates on here. We're going to say no railing, we're going to say no lighting. We're going to go ahead and say lattice for the skirting type. We're going to go ahead and put in 50, I believe. We're going to do one set of stairs. We're going to do no demo because there was no pre-existing deck. We're going to go ahead and say permit, yes, 99.9% of the time. There's a lot of times that permits are needed, so we'll do 48864. So I'm just going to go ahead and check all the boxes down here, and I'm going to come down to the bottom, click calculate the estimate. And this is going to do all the math for you on all the rates and stuff on all those average rates as I mentioned. Now, this is going to go ahead and give you a little thing. You can click right here to download the PDF. So if I click this real quick, and I just click this right up here, it's going to go ahead and load up the nice little neat PDF. So you can just download this to your computer, and you can send this right off to Gene. Gene has an email address right there or whatever. But you can go ahead and send this off to Gene, and here's a quick overall estimate. You see how quick that was? Pretty awesome, no? So in here too, I want to go ahead and show you, it has all the breakdown on here, like the materials, labor, add-on, subtotal, professional services and support. This is really like markup stuff on here, but we've labeled it better for marketing purposes and stuff, because you can explain this to your customers if you want to, but it just sounds cooler on paper to do professional services and support and stuff like that. But anyways, here's tax, here's grand total, all that good stuff. Now you can see in here it has Deckstimate all over this thing on here, and it has like random estimate number, it has generated on, and it has valid until, and all that good stuff. If you want to do this for your company, like let's say you have a company called deckbuildersarewesome.com or something like that. You want to put your logo up here, you want to go ahead and put your branding, all your stuff on here automatically, we can do that. We have a thing on here, it's called a branded version of Deckstimate. The branded version is just $99 a month. We build it out for you, we host it, all that good stuff. You take the link and you can either link it right on your website so that you can go ahead and have customers come in and fill this out directly. And then it'll shoot you an email when they go ahead and they do an estimate. You just call them and you book a time to go out on site and meet with them and all that good stuff. Or you can go ahead and link this like on Facebook or socials or wherever and stuff, and you can go ahead and get into many different ways to do that. They can download a quick PDF because, like, we all know this in the deck building world. The first person to get back to the customer with an estimate and stuff like that usually wins the gig on there. So we want to get you as many gigs as possible. Now, if you want a better way to do this too, we built out a full system on here called Deckstimate Pro. And you can click right here and explore what all that's about. It's a full system that has like CRM and automations, and you can go ahead and have it automatically follow up with your customer and stuff to go ahead and send your calendar and book a time for you to go on job site and stuff, do like actual estimate, talk to them, all that good stuff. You can go ahead and actually put them to like a pipeline on there for different stages of the job. You can go ahead and actually send out different things to your team members, all sorts of cool stuff. So like I say, you can explore Deckstimate Pro. But for now, the free version exists. You can just go to our website on fullblastawesome.com, and you're welcome to use this as many times as you want. Thanks so much for taking a moment to check this out today. We appreciate you for dropping by. If you like this sort of thing, check it out. Go ahead and like our video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to turn on those notifications so that you can see awesome stuff that we're doing. We're going to be doing some other tools also in the contracting world, so check back when you get a chance. We're getting all this kicked off and getting going and making stuff awesome. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.